Deck railing components play a critical role in ensuring safety, enhancing aesthetics, and providing structural integrity to decks of all sizes. Essential components include posts, balusters, top and bottom rails, and infill materials such as glass, cables, or wood. Posts serve as the foundation, supporting the entire railing system, while balusters or infill prevent falls and add visual interest. The top rail offers a comfortable handhold, and the bottom rail connects and secures the structure. Height requirements for deck railings vary by region, but generally mandate a minimum height of 36 to 42 inches for residential decks, with commercial spaces often requiring taller railings. For elevated decks, railings must withstand specific lateral force standards to prevent collapse. Proper adherence to local building codes is essential to ensure compliance and maintain safety. By selecting high-quality materials and following regulations, homeowners can create durable, stylish, and secure outdoor spaces.